XLR audio cables are commonly used on microphones, amplifiers, instruments, and speakers. Our cables feature nickel-plated connectors and a balanced line output, providing top-of-the-line signal strength and audio fidelity. The ultra-flexible 7mm jacket reduces kinks in your cable and helps prevent damage to the connectors. The cable is made using 22-gauge twisted pair cable wrapped in an aluminum foil shield and a 60% copper braid for maximum shielding from EMI and RFI interference. The cables are available in both a male-to-male and male-to-female orientation, in lengths from 1.5 feet to 100 feet. XLR cables are most frequently used for audio, but can be used for lighting applications as well. For more information on which XLR cable is right for you, please watch our video linked in the description below. XLR cables are a perfect solution for your audio projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.